The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue as a special military operation. Massive fire attack launched at the provisional bases of the 14th and the 92nd Mechanized Brigades of the Armed Forces of Ukraine near Dvurechная, Kondrashovka and Petrovka in Kharkov region has resulted in the elimination of over 150 servicemen and 12 units of armored equipment. High-precision attack launched by Russian aerospace forces near Kharkov has resulted in the neutralization of the manufacturing workshops at an armored vehicle plant that storaged over 90 tanks and other armored combat vehicles for the Ukrainian armed forces. Unsuccessful offensive of the Ukrainian group of forces launched towards Krasny Liman has resulted in causing casualties of over 70 servicemen, 4 tanks, 6 infantry combat vehicles and 3 armored vehicles from the 66th and the 93rd Mechanized Brigades of the Ukrainian armed forces. Attacks launched by Russian aerospace forces have resulted in the neutralization of the provisional bases of the Chaika tactical group from the 36th Marines Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces in Khortytsa Island, as well as of the 56th Mechanized Infantry Brigade of Ukrainian Armed Forces near Zaporozhye. Over 100 servicemen and 20 units of military equipment have been eliminated. High-precision attack launched at the vehicle reparation point located at Energomech Komplekt plant has resulted in the destruction of 10 field artillery guns, including 2 US-manufactured M777 howitzers, 4 launching ramps of Volha multiple launch rocket systems, and 15 motor vehicles. Massive fire attack has resulted in the neutralization of the provisional bases of the 28th Mechanized and the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, as well as of a unit of foreign mercenaries. Over 90 servicemen and militants, as well as 18 units of military equipment have been eliminated. Operational, tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 5 Ukrainian command posts near Peremoga in Kharkov region, Slavyansk, Bogdanovka in Donetsk People's Republic, Novonikolaevka, Gulay-Pole in Zaporozhye region, as well as of 75 artillery units, 167 manpower and military equipment concentration areas. 4 missile artillery armament and munitions depots have been destroyed near Kupiansk in Kharkov region, Kramatorsk in Donetsk People's Republic, Kolomytsevo in Dnepropetrovsk region, and Prilimanskoye in Odessa region. 1 radar of Ukrainian S-300 air defense system has been destroyed near Visoloye in Nikolaev region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian aerospace forces has shot down 1 Su-24 airplane of Ukrainian Air Force near Gusarovka in Kharkov region. Russian air defense facilities have shot down 5 unmanned aerial vehicles near Belogorovka, Gorlovka, Marinka in Donetsk People's Republic, Pavlovka in Zaporozhye region, and Yevgenovka in Nikolaev region. 2 .U ballistic missiles have been intercepted near Kozachya Lopan in Kharkov region and Bolshie Kopany in Kherson region. Moreover, 7 projectiles launched by HIMARS and Volha multiple launch rocket systems have been destroyed in the air near Donetsk, Bryanka in Lugansk People's Republic, Novaya Kakhovka and Veselaya in Kherson region. In total, 305 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,099 unmanned aerial vehicles, 377 air defense missile systems, 5,143 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 851 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,433 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,963 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.